And I'm gonna tell you how you can replace and load your filament if you're running out of the filament. As you see, mine is almost done. So what you need to do is just I put the new one here on the spool, and then I'm going here on the menu and stop and pause the print. Okay, and then immediately I go here on the extruder, just push it down a little bit and pull it up, and again immediately insert the new filament, and I make sure it's just extruding, and then here again on the menu I'm gonna press on continue. I just wait for a while and it starts printing again. That's a very small trick, nothing really special, but you don't have to be worried about you're running out of the filament. And as I showed you, like, you just can pause the print here and just push down, pull up the filament and replace the new one.